Hello guys, Farmer Nerd here. Just doing a little update on the furnace for you. Now I've found a temperature gauge in an old barbecue and I set it on just because out of interest to see what size I can, or how hot I can get the furnace to go. So I'll show you guys. Now I've completely burnt through all the shed. That's the last of the wood. I'll tidy that up later. Oh, she's cooking well, boys. There's the barbecue with the temperature gauge. It's a wee bit toasted from when I done my original test. I just took the bolt out of it. So if I can get it to focus here. Maybe if I set it down it'll be better. But anyway, the top of it is 450 degrees C. You see that, guys? It's clocked. Can't go any higher. I'll open the door and let you see the beast. It's time to burn. Bring you fire.